Welcome back to RevCheck. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming releases in the RV and automotive world, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Toyota has always been a brand synonymous with reliability, innovation, and practicality, and with this new motorhome they're aiming to combine those traits with modern luxury and advanced technology to create the ultimate mobile living experience. For years, motorhome enthusiasts have been looking for a blend of durability, efficiency, and style that doesn't compromise on comfort, and Toyota seems to have answered that demand with a vehicle that's not only built tough but also designed to deliver a high-end lifestyle on the road. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is more than just transportation, it's a complete home on wheels. From the outside, Toyota has managed to give this motorhome a sleek and aerodynamic design that stands out from the bulky, box-like appearance that many traditional RVs still carry. The front takes cues from Toyota's SUV lineup, with a bold grille, LED headlights, and sculpted lines that add a modern, dynamic touch. The sides flow smoothly with integrated storage compartments and slide-out extensions that expand the living space when parked. The large panoramic windows are not only a design highlight but also give passengers inside breathtaking views of their surroundings. Built on a reinforced chassis, the motorhome balances rugged durability with a refined appearance, making it equally suited for adventurous trips into the mountains or comfortable drives along the coast. Stepping inside, the Toyota Motorhome instantly feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Toyota has gone all in with premium materials, ergonomic design, and a smart layout that maximizes space. The lounge area greets you first with plush seating, a convertible sofa, and a mounted smart TV designed for entertainment on the go. Soft touch finishes, ambient lighting, and modern decor elements elevate the overall look, creating a calm and inviting space to relax after a long day of travel. The open-plan kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a compact induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a microwave, and plenty of counter space for meal preparation. Everything is designed to be efficient and user-friendly, perfect for both weekend campers and full-time travelers. Moving further back, the bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome of this size. Toyota has included a full shower, a vanity mirror with storage, and a high-tech toilet system that emphasizes water efficiency while maintaining cleanliness. It feels more like a hotel bathroom than an RV washroom. The bedroom, located at the rear, is another highlight. With a queen-size bed, memory foam mattress, and built-in storage, it creates a cozy retreat for restful nights no matter where you're parked. Large windows provide natural light during the day, while blackout shades ensure privacy and comfort when it's time to sleep. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. A central control system allows you to manage everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and slide-out extensions using a touchscreen interface or even a smartphone app. Solar panels on the roof provide additional off-grid power, while the energy-efficient battery system ensures you can stay connected without relying too much on external hookups. Wi-Fi connectivity, smart navigation, and driver assist features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist bring Toyota's advanced automotive technology into the RV world, making long drives more enjoyable and stress-free. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped this motorhome with a powerful yet efficient hybrid powertrain, combining a gasoline engine with electric motors to deliver both performance and fuel economy. This not only reduces environmental impact but also gives owners the freedom to travel further with fewer stops for fuel. The driving experience is smooth and surprisingly quiet, something that many motorhome owners will appreciate on long journeys. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is more than just a travel vehicle. It's a statement that combines Toyota's tradition of durability with modern luxury and cutting-edge technology. It caters to both adventurous spirits who want to explore the outdoors and families looking for comfort on the move. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, a weekend getaway, or even considering living full-time on the road, this motorhome offers everything you need in one sleek, efficient, and stylish package. Toyota has successfully reimagined what a motorhome can be, and it's safe to say this release will set new standards in the industry. This is RevCheck, and we'll see you in the next review.